This is the second number where we are solving simultaneous equations with one quadratic equation, one of them to be quadratic. Bill said that the line y equals 6 cuts the curve x squared plus y squared equals 25 at 2 points. By eliminating y, show that Bill is correct. So when we want to eliminate y, it means we have to take the value of y and replace it in the other equation here, like we did here. So it's x squared plus 6 squared, which is equal to 25. So x squared is equal to 25 minus 36. X squared is equal to minus 11. No square root can be negative, so no square root can, or in other words, let me here write it properly. X, there is no number, so no number, there is no real number, that you square like x squared here give you a negative answer. Therefore, you have no solution for this system. So for y equals 6 and x squared plus y squared equals 25, there's no solution. By eliminating y, find the solutions to the simultaneous equation, which is a new one given to us. So since y is already written, the linear y, or the linear equation, is already written as y the subject and it's in terms of x, we can directly take the value of y and replace it in the first equation. So x squared plus 2x minus 2 squared equals to 25. Let me remind you about the identity a minus b squared. It's equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So I have 2x minus 2 here squared, which is equal to square the first minus 2 times the first times the second plus square the second. So it's 4x squared minus 8x plus 4, where you replace it here, it's equal to 25. Now we take 25 to this side and we collect like terms. So 5x squared minus 8x minus 21 equals to 0. Now this step here, when you reach the quadratic equation, you need, in order to solve it, so in order to find the values of x, we need to factorize. So factorizing, we will get 5x plus 7 into x minus 3, which is equal to 0. So we take the first factor equal to 0 and then the second factor equal to 0. Therefore, 5x plus 7 equals to 0. So x is minus 7 over 5. Minus 7 over 5. And the next one, it's x minus 3 equals 0. So x is 3. So x is equal to 3. So x equals 3 or minus 7 over 5. Now you take the value of x and replace it in the equation. Y equals to x minus 2. So you replace x in here and you get y equals 4. And for this part here, you replace x, which is minus 7 over 5, and you're going to get minus 4 over 5 as the value for y.